If you would like to change some of the question under an event booking, you can do so in the backend in EnrolHQ. So an event booking form will have 3 stages. First of all, your details, which is the parents' details, then the student details, and then attendees. So the first details would be for the parent. We can see that it's title, first name, last name, contact details, and a little bit of address. If you need to change, add some more, or remove some questions from here, you can go in and you can do that under settings and form fields, and you can find that under parent. Now here, for example, under title, we can see that that's the top question. We can go in and we can enable or disable that for event booking. We can also make that mandatory or not mandatory for event booking. It's the same thing we can do for first name and last name and mobile phone number. We can see that each and every single one of these are enabled for event booking, while business phone, it's disabled, that's why it's not showing. For the next one, if I click on next, save and continue, the next is student details. Here we have first name, date of birth, year of entry, a little bit of information about the student. In that case, we would just go into profile instead of parent. If I go into profile, we can see that first name is enabled for event and it is also mandatory. So it's the same thing. Everything about the student you will be able to find under profile. Next and finally, if I click on save and continue, we will have attendees. So we will have some mandatory questions about who is attending the event, is your spouse attending, some additional attendees, and the names. And then you have how did you hear about us and how would you like to attend. These event questions you'll be able to find on top under event booking and event attendee. So you can actually add a custom field at the bottom here. You can enable these questions, or you can disable them, or you can even rename them just by going to the label and writing something else. And then of course, remember to click save if you want to make that change. And then you have the attendee questions. You can also go in and make the changes here if you need to. Finally, this how did you hear about us? That's a little bit of a tricky question to find. That one you will find under parent. So if I go under parent and scroll almost all the way down, you will be able to find it. Let's have a look. Just here, how did you hear about us? So you can go in and you can also add, remove, or make mandatory, or make any changes to that question as well.